Now I would request Sudarshan Sinha, MCom, Guwahati Commerce College, to present his paper.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected chairperson, honored guests, and friends. Myself, Sudarshan Sinha. I'm currently pursuing MCom 4th semester from Guwahati Commerce College. I'm here to give a presentation on the topic that is Ambedkar's perspective on women empowerment. The status of women is widely regarded as a key indicator of social progress, a principle strongly emphasized by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who argued that advancement of a community is measured by the advancement of its women. This paper examines women's empowerment and Ambedkar perspective, highlighting both its theoretical foundation and contemporary relevance. Ambedkar recognized that women, particularly those from marginalized communities, experience multiple forms of discrimination rooted in caste and gender hierarchies. To address these inequalities, he proposed a transformative framework encapsulated in the slogan, educate, organize, and agitate. Educate, because knowledge gives power. And organize, because, knowledge, collective action, and social resistance in achieving empowerment. Ambedkar's contribution expanded beyond theory into concrete legal and institutional reforms. His advocacy for the Hindu Code Bill sought to secure women's right in property, marriage, and inheritance, while his role in shaping the Constitution of India ensured the institutionalization of equality, justice, and dignity. Despite these progressive measures, the realization of his vision remains incomplete, as women continues to face inequality, violence, and limited access to opportunities. The issue assumes particular significance in Northeast India, where women plays vital, significant, and economic role, but often encounter subtle and structural forms of discrimination. The study highlights the gap between Ambedkar's vision and present reality, emphasizing the need for sustained effort in education, awareness, and empowerment. It concludes that true social progress can only be achieved when women are fully educated, respected, and enabled to exercise their rights. Following Ambedkar's idea in practice, rather than merely commemorating them, is essential for building an inclusive and just society. Thank you so much.